Hello everyone, welcome to tutorial how to set up dialog localization system. My name is Tropp and I will guide you through this tutorial. So, what we are going to do? Firstly, import the asset package to your project. Now import the dialog system prefab to the scene, or make an empty game object and add the dialog system component. On this object, you can edit all your information about dialog localization system. After that, insert all the correct information to the fields. They are name of your game, version of your game, languages. This is the most important array field. Insert how many languages as you want. Next text. Next strings translations, make them in exact order as array field languages. Dialogskin. There you can import your own dialogskin which will be showed in the dialogs in your game. You can use your own. You can use dialogskin in dialog localization system package or none. That means Unity is default. And the last one, current language. This is the current language used in your game. You can change it via scripts, or if you are making one language game, just write the language. Next step. On any object you want to have dialogue with, for example human or sign, insert dialog script. It is important that the object must have a collider. Let's move on explaining fields. Speakers. This is an array with translation of the current speaker. Make them in exact order as languages on dialog system object. It's there because the name of object can vary in different languages. This information will be shown when showing the name of object in game. Active variable is storing whenever is dialog active and showing on the screen. We refer to it via script. For creating whole new dialog, hit new. For loading existing dialog, hit load. We will make new dialog. Enter the name and path for your XML dialog file. Click save. Now we are ready to make dialog. Click edit, and the editor window will appear. There you can create dialog nodes of two types, text and question. Text is just basic text that will appear. Question is a question. On question you can create multiple answers. On every node you see your language's inputs and language speakers inputs. To connect nodes, click out on first node and in on second node, and they will connect together. In editor you can zoom out and in and move by alt dragging or mouse wheel. Clear. Will clear all your editor nodes in current dialog, but don't worry, you must save dialog to take change. Don't forget to save the dialog. After system dialogs are set up, we will need some control to take control of handling dialogs in game. For this, we can use dialog controller. Insert it to the main camera of your first person controller. Set up distance by which you can access dialog, and set up size of window by width and height. To start dialog in game, use Ctrl E, but you can change it in the script as you like. What about changing languages? To change languages in your game, there is a basic script called language menu. It is on the dialog system prefab. After hitting escape in your game, there is a simple menu to choose language. That's it. This is how you set up dialog localization system. But what about future changes? I will add more dialog types, booleans and statements, and call a function node using send message. Next change is 2D dialog controller. Control dialogs even in your 2D game. In a future release, there will be option to randomize translation and randomize nodes. And the last one is a system to make in-game translations, saving to XML, multilingual and easy to use via simple functions. Thank you for viewing this tutorial and for using dialog localization system. Bye!